Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking you inside one of the world's largest aloe vera processing facilities, a $13 billion operation that transforms.
Our journey begins here in the fertile valleys of Tamaulipas, Mexico.
Each aloe vera plant requires a minimum of 3 years to reach harvest maturity.
Por favor, diríjanse al campo 3. La cosecha empieza ahora.
Entendido. Vamos para allá.
Watch the tractor on the right.
Okay, stacking the blues here.
Timing is everything in aloe vera harvesting. Trained harvesters remove only the outermost mature leaves, leaving inner leaves to continue growing.
Tienen que cortar aquí, justo en la base para no dañar la planta.
¿Y si la hoja es muy pequeña?
Solo las maduras.
At peak harvest season, over 200 skilled workers move through these fields like a well-choreographed ballet.
Make sure the cut is clean on these lower leaves.
Yes, got it. How many more rows until the break?
Cuidado con el bache. Despacio, despacio.
Dale a la izquierda un poco.
What makes this operation truly remarkable is the 4-hour window.
How much longer we got today?
Hour maybe. Ready for a cold one.
Modern technology transforms traditional farming into precision agriculture.
Watch the forklift. Clear the way, we have a full load coming through.
Hydration stations throughout the collection process ensure leaves maintain their moisture content.
Refrigerated transport trucks maintain a constant 38 degrees Fahrenheit throughout the journey.
Okay, bring it back slowly. Watch the line.
You're clear on the left, set it down right there.
"12 times daily, these refrigerated convoys depart from collection points across the plantation network.
Unit 72, confirm refrigeration status.
Affirmative dispatch, holding steady at 38, all green.
Gate 1 to control, inbound transport is approved. You can send them through.
Within this 500,000 square foot facility, over 2,000 employees work around the clock in 3 shifts.
Clear Bay 7 for the next shipment.
Affirmative. ETA is 5 minutes on the timers.
Watch the forklift on your left.
Total weight, 5,550 kilograms, grade A. Proceed to line 2.
Before any processing can begin, every leaf must pass through this 7-stage washing system.
This washing system processes an astonishing 12 tons of fresh aloe leaves per hour. The water used
These trained inspectors can process over 500 leaves per hour while maintaining 9% accuracy in defect detection.
Adjust the feed rate on auxiliary pump 3.
Confirmed. Adjusting now.
Good, the temperature is stabilizing.
We're now entering the heart of this $13 billion operation. This is where the magic happens. What you're seeing behind me is over $400 million worth of precision equipment.
These Japanese engineered filleting blades cost over $15,000 each and are replaced
rate is excellent this afternoon.
Yes, the secondary extraction is keeping pace perfectly.
These industrial homogenizers operate at precisely controlled temperatures between 32 and 38 degrees Fahrenheit.
Recording sample 180. Viscosity confirmed at target range, clarity high, particle distribution uniform.
The polysaccharide breakdown is stabilizing right on schedule.
Good, let's maintain the current enzyme feed rate.
Temperature steady at 95 degrees Fahrenheit, pH level 4.2, enzyme concentration optimal, adjusting agitation to maximum.
This multi-stage filtration system removes particles down to 0.2 microns, roughly 500 times smaller than a human hair. What you're seeing represents over $2 million worth of pure aloe vera gel, a single day's production held in these temperature-controlled vessels.
Check the vitamin input levels on Station 2. We have a discrepancy.
Each product formula is a carefully guarded trade secret, developed over decades of research.
The seals on line 4 look good.
Copy that. Moving to batch 72 tomorrow.
Coordinating product flow to packaging lines is like conducting an orchestra. Viscosity is measured in centipoise, a unit that quantifies resistance to flow.
This is the nerve center of quality control. Every single batch produced in this facility must pass over 40 different tests before it can be approved for packaging.
Under the microscope, aloe vera gel reveals its true complexity. Every bottle entering this facility, whether glass or recycled plastic, undergoes 6-stage preparation. Welcome to the heart of the packaging operation. These 16 filling lines collectively process over 300,000 bottles per day.
Tamper-evident sealing is non-negotiable in today's consumer environment. These shrink bands not only provide security assurance, but also serve as an authenticity marker.
Primary packaging is complete. Each bottle now contains quality verified product, properly sealed and fully labeled. Secondary packaging from individual bottles.
This single cases packing line processes 40 cases per minute.
This single case packing line processes 40 cases per minute, each containing 12 bottles.
Every case leaving this facility carries a unique identifier tracked through our global logistics network.
Every case you see moving past me contains products that have passed over 40 quality checkpoints.
Inbound shipment processing. Aisle 7, clear for staging.
Watch your left, coming through.
Order accuracy in this facility exceeds 99.8%. This precision comes from barcode verification at every step, eliminating human error.
At any moment, this warehouse contains approximately $15 million worth of finished product.
Trailer 4 is loaded. Pallets secured, temperature check complete. Backing out now.
Need to get this pallet on truck 12 right now.
Bay 5 is clear. Bring the next load in.
Every shipment leaving this facility carries a complete documentation package.
All right, keep it coming. Straighten it out now. You got room. You got room. Hold it right there.
International shipments travel in refrigerated containers, maintaining precise temperatures throughout journeys that can last up to 6 weeks.
Quality assurance check complete. The container is cleared for immediate loading.
Copy that. Move Tango 2 to position Charlie.
Roger, moving in now. Channel 3, confirm truck 42 is clear.
Affirmative. Bring the next load to Bay 5.
Easy now, easy. Clear on starboard side. Roger, descending into slot 42. Looks good.
This single train carries approximately 3 million products.
Fahr vorsichtig, die Sendung nach München.
Ja, ist gesichert. Brauchen Sie Hilfe beim Schließen?
Attention Vessel P152, you are cleared to dock at Terminal 3. Meld u bij Dock 3.
Où sont les palettes pour Berlin?
Sie sind drüben bei Tor 3.
10 cases confirmed. We'll take it from here.
Thanks.
From this port, our products travel to over 160 countries. A container departs
from a single leaf harvested in a Mexican field this morning to a premium product on pharmacy shelves worldwide.
Good morning. Confirmation sent.
Oh, perfect. Thank you so much.
Order confirmed. Next up, aisle 5.
This one is ready for next day delivery.
This brand is excellent for internal wellness, especially digestion.
Okay, and how much would you recommend taking daily?
One facility, 160 countries, millions of consumers every day. The work never stops.
Another day done. Yeah, heading home now. See you later.
$13 billion in annual production. 100,000 plants processed daily.
What an incredible journey we've been on together. From the moment those aloe leaves were harvested at sunrise to finished products shipping to every corner of the globe.
If you enjoyed this journey inside the world's largest aloe vera operation, do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell.
And tomorrow, it all begins again.